So we are giving a string. So inside the string, it will be like this type of parentheses with open and close, and with open close, but outside there's still open and close. Yeah, so all the parentheses will be like that. So let me first explain it in whiteboard. Yeah, so we're gonna have some kind of parentheses. If it is like this, or it can be like this, or the parentheses can be like that. So there will be different combinations. We want to calculate the result. If the parenthesis is like open and close like that, so we're gonna have a score of 1. So we're gonna count it as 1. So for example, this is 1, this is a 1, 1 plus 1, it's gonna be 2. Yeah, but in this example, this 1 plus 1, it's gonna be 2. But if there is a 2 inside the parenthesis, it's gonna be 2 times 2. So it's gonna be 4. So this is according to the description. But how can we solve it? Normally, if there's a parenthesis problem, we're gonna use the stack. Yeah, the difficult part is how can we use the stack to solve such problem. Basically, there are two combinations. One is the separate, like open and close. Another is combinations, open and close, but outside there's another open and close. We need to analyze two things. So if it is like that, so we're gonna just return a 1. But if it is just with the open and close outside, so the final result, for example 2, would apply times a 2. Yeah, so if something like this, inside it is a 1, so the return would be 1 times 2. Yeah. So for this type of question, from the beginning we're gonna prepare our stack and gonna put a 0 inside the stack. If the stack will be like this, open and close, open and close. Yeah, if we find a open, so we're gonna put a 0 inside the stack. So this is a stack, we're gonna put a 0 in. This is from the beginning, there's a 0, we're gonna put a 0 inside. This 0 means I find a open. Yeah, now if I find a close, what I gonna do? I gonna check if this value is 0. If it is 0, means there must be an open parenthesis. Find the close parenthesis immediately. There's nothing inside. Yeah. So this 0 just means there's nothing inside. If I find a 0, it means I've found an open parenthesis. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pop out this 0. Yeah, I'm gonna pop out this value. Then I'm gonna check this value. If it is 0, so I'm gonna use this 0 plus 1. So I'm gonna pop the value before it, this 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is gonna be 1. So currently inside the stack it's gonna be 1. Yeah. Now if I find another open parenthesis, I'm gonna put a 0 inside. Yeah. And next, if I find a close parenthesis, so first of all I'm gonna pop out this 0. Then I'm gonna check the value. If it is 0, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna pop out this one plus a 1 because this is 0. This means open and close. There's nothing inside. There's only open and close. Yeah. So the final result would be 2. Yeah. But if there's something like this, so what are we gonna do? Yeah. From the beginning we have a stack. Now if it is open, we're gonna put a 0 inside. There's another open. I will put a 0 inside. Now I found a close parenthesis. What I gonna do? I'm gonna pop out this value 0. I'm gonna check this value. Yes, it is 0. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use pop out the previous value. This is 0 plus a 1 because it is 0. If I check it is 0, I'm gonna use this 0 plus 1. So currently inside of the stack, it's gonna be 0 and 1 inside. Yeah. Now I'm going to check the next one. It is open, so I would put a 0 inside the stack, and then I find a close. Yeah. If I find a close, I'm gonna pop out this 0, and then check this value. Check if it is 0. So if it is 0, I will use the previous one plus another 1. So it is 2. So currently inside the stack, it is 0 and 2. Yeah. Now you can see that. So currently we go to these areas. Yeah. But inside of the stack, it is 0, 2. 2 means this value plus this value. This one plus this one. It is 2. This 0 means there is a open parenthesis. Yeah. Now we're gonna check the next one. If this is close, yeah. if this close, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop this value, current value, it is 2. Yeah, so the previous value is 0, so 0 should plus 2 times 2, because currently this value is not 0, it is 2. According to the description, it should be 2 times 2. So finally, inside of the stack, the value will be 4. Yeah, and finally, we just need to return the last element of the stack. Yeah. Now let me try to write the code. Yeah, according to the description, we're gonna prepare a stack, and inside I'm gonna prepare a 0. Now I'm going to check the element inside the stack. I will check if this is C equal to the open parenthesis. Yeah, if it is open, the stack would always append a 0 inside. Yeah. Otherwise, there are two conditions. Yeah, I will pop out the current value. It should be stack.pop. I will check this current value. If this current value equals to 0, so stack should append the value of stack.pop plus 1. Else, this current value is not 0, so the stack should append stack.pop. Yeah, we're gonna pop out this value. Here I need a parenthesis. Yeah, I need to pop out this value, and then should plus the current times 2. Yeah, so this is the entire code. So finally, I just need to return the stack 0 or stack minus 1. Yeah. Now let me run it to check. Stack.pop. Yeah, pop from empty list. This is something wrong. Yeah, if C equal to open, else if it is equal to close, current should equal to stack.pop. If current equal to 0, stack.pop should plus 1. Then I need to put it inside the stack. Yeah, let me just delete some testing case and test what is wrong with it. Yeah, so let me check the first. Yeah, if it is open, so the stack would be with 2 zeros. Next, if it is closed, I will pop out a 0, and I will check it is 0, so the stack would pop another 0, should plus 1, then stack should append. Yeah, let me check the stack. Yeah, the stack is empty. Yeah, this C should be equal to the open parenthesis. I don't know why it didn't execute this one. Yeah, this is a really strange for me. Yeah, let me print out this C. I want to check what is wrong. Oh, this C is 0. Yeah, for C should be not stack, C should be in S. I need to check the string. This is why, I believe. Yeah, now it seems okay. Let me delete the print and check if it works. Yeah, because C should always be inside of the string. It is not inside of the stack. That is a typo. Yeah. Now let me add all the testing. Yeah, let me just run it to check if it works. Yeah, now as you can see, it works. So the stack is just about yeah, we need to append and pop, but this is going to be really difficult actually for the stack problem. We need to analyze a lot of cases. Yeah, even this is an easy one, but if it is a stack problem, it seems like you have to remember something about you need to append a value and pop a value. So when you need to append, normally if it is open, you need to append. But what kind of value you need to append inside? So you need to find this kind of a value. It should be it should be 0 if you find an open parenthesis, because this is 0 basically used for the